Hi, Christina here. I'm knitting a striped sweater and I want to show you how to make a jogless stripes in the round. Knitting in the round means knitting in the spiral, so if you want to get rid of the jog between colors, here's a trick for you. I knit until the beginning of the row where I change the color. Here's my marker. I'll slip it for now. Now I'm ready to change the color. In the first row after the change, I simply knit with the new color. Nothing tricky yet. Now I'm finishing that row. This is where the trick begins. Here's my stitch marker. I'll take it off for a moment. Now I need to knit into the stitch below. This is a stitch below and we need to catch both stitches together so you don't drop any. This way we knit into the previous row. This way we knit into the previous row, right where the jog usually appears. Place the stitch marker one stitch forward in the row. It will move one stitch forward with each color change. Yeah, this is probably the only drawback. If you have a lot of color changes, you will end up with a diagonal line on the other side. But other than that, it's a very neat technique. I finished my white stripe. Now I want to switch back to the dark blue and I'll follow the same steps. I knit to the beginning of the row, change the color, and I knit one row straight without any tricks. Here's the end of the row where I changed the color, and now on the second row of the new color, we'll knit into the stitch below again. Move the stitch marker one stitch forward and keep knitting. You can change as many colors as you like. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!